Hey YouTube, this is Flamin' Lego 666, and today I'll be showing you the Angry Birds texture pack, and I'll be showing you how to download it. So I'll put the link in the description. Sorry. Just doing some stuff. So you're gonna want to just click on that, and it will start downloading it. And then you want to hit show in folder. So if that works. Okay, that's not working, but so you'll hit download texture pack, and it will just bring this up, and then you're gonna want to hit show in folder, and then you can go to a folder, and then you're gonna want to drag this to your desktop. So now you're gonna want to go here and search for run. It should be like the first one, but mine, I have it on my desktop, so it's not going to be. It's right there. So let's open it up. So you want to type in that right there, okay? And then you're going to want to find Minecraft. So click that and go to texture packs, and you're going to want to drag the Angry Birds file into here. But as you can see, I already have it. So I will show you it after I delete this. So let's open up Minecraft. So full screen, go to texture packs, Angry Birds. There you go, single player. Let's open this up. And this is Angry Birds. I will show you it. So I can trade wheat for him, but I won't. Oh, who the heck is that? What are you doing teleporting? I can trade you a diamond. I don't want to. Stop bugging me. So let's go here, and these are all the blocks, decoration blocks. They're all here. Redstone is all here. Transportation. That's actually pretty cool. Is that the map is an iPod. So the map, I'll show you it. 1 second. Sorry about that. So the map is a big iPod or iPad. That's actually pretty cool. I'll show you it in survival mode. So it's like that. Let's get all this monster spawners out of here. Now I'm gonna give myself, let's see, diamonds and a diamond pickaxe. So diamonds are the bluebird, and arrows are the bluebird. What's actually pretty cool is that when you have a bow and some arrows, when you shoot your bow, you're using a bird. So if I shoot there, I just shot the blue bird. Well, yeah, you can't change arrows, which sucks. But it's a blue bird. So yeah. I'm just picking my arrows back up. But you got your health. Got your health right there. No, your hunger bar there, armor bar there, and your health bar there, damage bar I would call it. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.